This is my beloved daughter, in whom I'm well pleased.
Okay, so this morning I'm going to be talking about gifts and talents. So I'm going to start with gifts. Steve Harvey says that gifts is the thing you do best with the least amount of effort. So God will give you this God gift to set up your purpose in life. Google says that a gift is something given to you freely without a payment. It's a present. So God gives you your gift so you can use it. So think of it like this. On your birthday, you get presents, right? So you get these presents so you can use them. So you may get luggage so you can travel. You may get a spatula so you can cook. You may get tennis shoes so you can run. God does the same thing. He may give you a great singing voice so you can be a singer. He may give you a strong sense for numbers and science so you can work at NASA. He may give you these abilities so it will set up your purpose in life. Proverbs 18:16 says, "A man's gift will make room for him and brings him before great men." Your gift will work for you. When you get your gift, you won't have to say, "Look what gift God gave me." People will see it radiating through you. It's like a glow stick. You won't have to say, "Hey, look, I have a glow stick." People are going to see the light coming off of it and know that there's a glow stick in the room. So when we find out what gift God has given us, like cracking a glow stick, we're going to begin to glow. So I have a story I'm going to read to you guys about finding out your gift. For our final test grade, I want to write an essay on the importance of parents. Everyone in my class groaned. I perked up, though. Why, you may wonder? After all, you have to write an essay about parents. Well, throughout the whole year, I'd coasted. Barely listening in class, I did my test grades on the last night and crawled through endless assignments. When my report card came in last, I barely passed. Yesterday, I found out that our school was going to Washington, D.C. this summer, and I was failing, and I needed a good test grade so I could pass the class. When I got home, I raced to my desk, got out my computer, and began to plan. I planned out my whole essay, picked up my final copy, and began to write. I pored over this essay all night long. Finally, I finished and perfected my essay at 1 a.m. I turned in my essay the next day and went to my seat to begin my daily assignments. "Did you do your essay, Annie?" asked Robert, who sat facing towards me. "Of course, I worked on it all night long. Not like you. No one else in this class worked on it over 30 minutes, if we did it at all," he replied. "I want a good grade," I answered. "Annie, please come up to my desk," announced the teacher. I slowly rose and walked up to her desk. "Okay, so who wrote your essay?" she questioned. "I did. It's my name right there," I said, pointing to my name. "Annie, this is remarkable. I have never seen a kid your age write something as amazing as this." What I didn't know was from that moment, my life would never be the same. Within the next 2 years, I had 4 books published, which were all Amazon bestsellers. This is amazing because Annie's writing abilities brought her to success. Her gift made room for her. So now I'm going to be talking about talent. Google says that talent is your natural skill. Playing the guitar is a learned skill, but singing is talent. It comes to you naturally. You're born with it. Leo Buscaglia says your talent is God's gift to you. What you do with it is your gift back to God. I love this quote because it makes so many people think, God has blessed me with this amazing gift and I want to bless him back. So it makes people think, what is my talent? So talent are also a lot like glow sticks. Everyone has their talent and glow sticks inside of them. Most people don't crack their glow sticks to release their glow, but God gave you this glow stick so you could shine. So today, I challenge you to crack your glow stick and let your light shine. Another way to think of talent is like wings. God gives you these wings so you can fly. People today are so scared that their wings won't work, so they don't try to fly. But today, I challenge you to stretch your wings and fly. Let your talent bring you to new heights. Let yourself glow and let yourself fly. So I want to leave you with this. God gave you these talents and gifts to glorify him, to set up your purpose in life, and to answer your call. Answer your call. Step out on your gifts. Step out on your talents. Your gifts and your talents will carry you above anything you could ever imagine. So I encourage you to go after your dream that God gave you, and your gift and your talents will set you up. Talents are natural and gifts are supernatural. Go after your dreams. Thank you.